guys, it's James. Welcome back to my channel, The Derpy Kitchen. Today we're making America's favorite thing, chicken wings. Boppin'. Also, we're making homemade honey garlic sauce to go with them. If you like what you see, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like it. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I make new content. Also, I'm on Facebook and Instagram at The Derpy Kitchen, if you'd like to follow along and get updates. And now for the video.
Start with looking at the chicken wings to make sure, in fact, they are chicken wings. Then find how they move to find the joints and use that to cut them into 3 pieces. Make sure you save the wingtips for a very nice stock, which I have a video for if you click in the top right. Once you are done cutting the wings into, chicken wings, then salt and pepper them for flavor. Once all salty and peppery, get your dredge ready. For the dredge, you'll need 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, salt, pepper, and mixing up in a fair-sized bowl. Besides your dry dredge, you will need a wet mixture, which is 2 or 3 eggs whisked up. While you are dredging your wings, have a heavy bottom pot or a cast iron pan with deep frying oil in it, heated up to 350 Fahrenheit. Using a vegetable oil of choice for frying, just not olive oil. You don't want to use olive oil because of the low smoke point for something like deep frying. It's just not good for it. Dredging is simple. You put it in the flour, you push it down a bit, make sure it's coated, put it in the egg, and then put it back in the flour just for a nice double dredge. When cooking, only a few wings in the oil at a time to not overcrowd it and have the oil have a fighting chance to stay at temp. When they're done, put them on a wire rack set in a baking sheet. Also, I set my oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit to keep them warm and crispy on the inside and outside while I finish the rest. For cooking the wings, only 3 to 5 minutes per side till it has a good color. Also, I made honey garlic sauce for wings today. All you need is a tablespoon of oil, 3 cloves of garlic minced, half a cup of honey, 3/4 cup of ketchup, and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Cook the garlic till it's translucent and then add everything to the pot and bring that boy to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to a simmer and let it go for at least 5 minutes. Once everything's all done, throw it all in a bowl and start tossing. This was a really good honey garlic sauce. It was tangy to start and then really sweet by the end of it. Of course, it's pretty open-ended sauce too. You can adjust the ingredients if you want it a little more sweet or a little more tangy. The power is yours. I loved those wings. They were so good.
Thanks for watching. This was fun to make. I personally love chicken wings, and to do it at home is a lot better on the wallet. So, it's kind of a no-brainer. If you decide to make them, make sure to post it and tag me in them. I would love to see them. I hope you liked the video. As always, leave a comment down below your thoughts and your dreams. Did you like the video? Did you not? I want to hear you talk about it. And I am always welcome to suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to click that notification bell. See you next Sunday.